Have you ever felt stuck choosing between looking stylish and feeling comfortable? Let's put it to the test. Here are two outfits. One of them is quite lazy and boring, and another one is more elevated and put together. Which one of them do you think is more comfortable? And here's the twist. Both of them are equally comfortable. The trap most of us fall into is associating style with discomfort and comfort with sloppiness. But what if I told you that you can actually have both? In this video, I'm going to walk you through key casual wardrobe staples from jeans, sweatshirts, black pants and shorts, and show you how to transform them from plain and boring to stylish and put together. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upgrade your entire casual wardrobe without even going shopping. Let's dive in and prove that style and comfort can absolutely go hand in hand.
You know it, no one's gonna stop my dancing feet. I'm on it, iconic. Got my body moving to the beat. My dress on, you know it, no one's gonna stop my...
Starting off with the category most of us can't imagine their wardrobe without: jeans. Of course, you can't argue jeans are super comfortable, they are the must-have of your casual wardrobe, but they can quite easily and often slip into the realm of too casual and boring. Let's take your everyday jeans and turn them into foundation of a stylish put-together outfit. To challenge myself, I opted for one of the most controversial models, skinny jeans. I paired skinny jeans with a comfy hoodie and white trainers, exactly how I see them worn most often on the streets. It's comfy and sporty, but far from stylish or put together, and even for grocery runs, I want to look more polished. So let's take this outfit to the next level. First, I'm swapping the trainers for comfy yet more structured and elegant penny loafers. Then changing the hoodie for a t-shirt because I want to add some layering, which is the easiest way to elevate your look. And of course, to make it polished and chic, I need a structured tailored piece. So I thought my husband's blazer is perfect for that. Checks and plaits, as you know, are really big this season, so this blazer also updates the look and makes it more trendy and fresh. Jewelry adds polish, and when it comes to elevating a basic outfit, color combos are key. To make it more interesting, I'm adding a trendy maroon color to highlight the blues and create a colorful accent. Navy sunglasses finish off the outfit, and voila, I'm ready. Cozy and comfy, yet stylish and up to date. By the way, skinny jeans I'm wearing are one of the most comfortable. They feel like leggings, and they're coming from Halara, the sponsor of today's video, which I'm going to tell you all about in a moment. And now a little disclaimer, when we're talking about achieving this really polished and put together effect when styling your casual staples, it is really crucial to put the fits and silhouettes right and to choose those that flatter your unique height and body shape. And for those who are new to my channel, I've got a little surprise. I have developed an in-depth illustrated guide tailored for your height and figure shape that you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video. Answer just a few questions about your height and body shape and get it immediately directly to your mailbox. It's a super practical tool that you can use to go shopping or declutter your existing wardrobe, because you'll find a lot of practical recommendations and styling techniques, as well as some key winning silhouettes per category: tops, bottoms, outerwear, and outfit ideas tailored to your unique body shape and your height. Don't forget to go to the link, get the guide, and start using it to enhance your everyday basic outfits and combine comfort and style. Next one, black pants. Black pants is the most versatile piece in your casual wardrobe. However, they can be quite underwhelming if not styled thoughtfully. Black pants have the potential to be both super comfortable and incredibly chic, and with the right styling can take you from day to night, from office to grocery shopping, all while keeping you comfortable. Now let me show you all the nuances of styling black pants. Here's how most women wear black pants. I get it, you're in a rush, so you grab black pants, neutral jersey top, and you go to white trainers. It feels comfortable, but honestly it looks like a street uniform. And don't get me started on proportions. Contrasting shoes draw the eye down, making you look shorter, while the contrast between top and bottom creates a horizontal line that also makes the silhouette wider and shorter. Let's fix it and elevate your black pants outfit. First, swap trainers for trendy fishnet ballerinas. They will elongate your legs and give the look a fresh twist. Next, trade the jersey top for a stretchy shirt that is structured but still comfy. To go from basic to stylish, add gold jewelry. Golden tone hoops, layered necklaces, and now the standout, a statement coral red bag that takes this basic outfit to a chic one instantly. And don't forget the sunglasses, of course. By the way, you can leave the sleeves loose or roll them up to show your wrists, and if you want to look even more polished, just tuck the shirt in and add a matching belt. This will create a flattering 1/3 to 2/3 proportions that makes you look even taller and slimmer. So comfort, style, and a slimming effect all in one outfit. And by the way, both the pants and the shirt are from Halara. They are designed like tailored garments, but feel like your most comfy, stretchy loungewear. And now let me introduce you the sponsor of today's video, the brand that I didn't choose by accident but on purpose for this specific topic because it's one of the leading athleisure brands called Halara. For those who are not new to my channel, you've probably seen quite a few videos sponsored by this brand, and the reason why I chose it is because they're really dedicated to designing stylish, high-quality activewear that doesn't compromise on comfort. And for a record, all the items you are going to see in this video are from Halara, and while filming them, I really felt like I was filming in my pajamas. Their pieces are designed with premium fabrics, which are essential for both sports and loungewear. And they offer a great fit for all body types, including plus size and curvier women. With a diverse and versatile color palette, Halara's clothing easily integrates into your everyday wardrobe, making it perfect for both workouts and casual outings. As usual, I'm leaving all the information about the items I'm wearing as well as the sizes with a surprise promo code with a discount for any of your purchases in the info box. So please don't forget to check out Halara collection after watching this video. Now let's talk about shorts. Shorts are super comfortable and ideal for hot weather. However, they can often fall short in the styling department if not chosen and styled properly. Now let's take your basic black shorts and turn them into a stylish, effortlessly chic, yet laid back and super comfortable outfit. Shorts aren't just for the beach. Of course, pairing them with white tank top and slides doesn't really scream city appropriate. But with just a few elegant tweaks, you can even take your basic shorts outfit to a relaxed evening look. Start by swapping the tank top for a shirt. It's an easy way to elevate casual outfits without losing comfort. Next, trade the slides for crochet slingbacks. Just as comfy, but slightly more feminine and chic. Add a belt to define the relaxed shorts, and finish with a raffia basket to add texture and break up the bold red-black contrast. Top it off with jewelry and dark brown sunglasses, and you are all set. As you can see, even the comfiest shorts can be elevated in seconds with basic styling, adding structure, a pop of color, and the right accessories, of course. And a gentle reminder, if you're enjoying watching this video, please don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. There is a new video every week and it will help my channel a lot. And also please follow me on Instagram at Diana_Goss to stay in touch on a daily basis and get even more styling tips, outfit ideas, inspiration and motivation to enhance your personal style. Next category I'd like to discuss with you is dresses. I know what you're thinking. Dresses are normally not associated with casual dressing and more with dressed up looks. However, I think this staple is so underrated. It's my personal favorite go-to piece when I don't have time for styling and pairing top with the bottom or layering, but I still want to look feminine and effortlessly chic. Let me show you some of the examples. And to show you how to incorporate dresses into an everyday casual style, I chose the most comfortable and easy to wear dress from Halara in a trendy burgundy color. For shoes, my first pick is Nat Ballet Flats, comfy, stylish, and breathable for warmer weather. And to give the dress more relaxed vibe, I'll layer a sweater over my shoulders and pair it with a soft matching bag to complete the look. Feminine, chic, and super cozy for running errands. For a second option, I went for sporty shoes, but skipped the trainers. Instead, I found these absolutely cute and comfy lace-up ballerinas at Zara, a perfect balance of comfort and style. They match perfectly with my off-white sweater and the dress, so that's another take on the same outfit. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments.
Stop my dancing feet. I'm on it, iconic. Got my body moving to the beat.
And now my personal favorite, the ultimate comfort piece, perfect for those lazy days and running errands, sweatshirts and hoodies. Okay, let's face it, sweatshirts and hoodies can often look too sloppy and laid back if not styled properly. But the good news is that just with a few adjustments, you can enhance your basic sweatshirt outfit and take it to the next level to make it effortlessly chic and city appropriate. Sweatshirt, jeans and trainers might be your go-to in a rush, but we can do much better and elevate this look in a matter of seconds. First, I swapped the blue jeans for tailored wide-leg denim pants in a crew tone to elongate the silhouette and balance out the crop top with loose-fitted pants. Then I added a light parka, which is my favorite pairing with a hoodie for a cool, effortless vibe. And finally, I finished the look with a matching bucket bag and sunglasses. By using tricks like tonal color combos, layering, and the right accessories, my basic casual outfits looks much more polished and put together, even though the pieces I used are still pretty much relaxed. So it's not what you wear, but how you style it that makes all the difference.
On it, iconic. Got my body moving to the beat.
And last but not least, today's casual must-have, jogging pants. Paired with a white t-shirt and trainers, they can feel like loungewear. But if you only swap fleece joggers for satin ones, wow, the look just transforms immediately. First, I switched trainers for loafers for a comfy yet chic vibe. Then I swapped the t-shirt for a gorgeous halter top from Halara, which looks super chic but feels just as comfy as a t-shirt. I added gold hoop earrings to keep the neckline clean while drawing attention to the face, and finished off with a bucket bag and sunglasses. There you go. Do you see the difference? For layering, I can tie a sweater around my hips to keep the relaxed vibe, or throw it over my shoulders in a traditional way. Which one do you prefer? For a second option, I wanted to keep it sporty, so I skipped the classy top and paired the jogging pants with a sleeveless zip top from Halara. I swapped the gold hoops for silver ones to highlight the crisp white top and give it a cool, fresh vibe. And I also traded loafers for a white lace-up ballerinas from Zara and added a blazer for an extra layer and a polished finish. I love how zip tops look with classic blazers. They create this relaxed yet super elegant feel, which is what sports chic is all about. So which option do you prefer? The classy or the sporty one?
Standing tall.
Voila, that's it for today. I really hope that you got some inspiration and practical tips from this video. Please let me know in the comments which casual wardrobe staple is your favorite and how you manage to combine comfort and style for yourself. I'm really curious. Thank you in advance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!